This is under the front hood of the 67 Beetle. I've taken out the spare tire, the wire loom cover. So here's the wiring behind the dash. There's never been a radio or a speaker installed. It's all from the factory. Glove box is in good shape, not torn. That's the Stewart Warner gas heater, completely operational. That's the fresh air combustion pipe, and it pulls fresh air for the car heat through the access panel here. That's inside the body. It's all nice and straight. The Pour 15 rust treatment was just taking care of a little bit of rust between seams that I had a couple years ago. And then the spare tire, well, all original. Gas tank is fine. We'll come around here while we're at it and show you the heater working. There's the heater pumping out the black smoke. And there it is running. You pull the knob out for hotter, push it back in for colder, and the heat comes out on this side and blows that way across the wheel well. While we're at it, a nice close-up of the dash. First shifter. Brake handle I found, it matched the interior. Blemish on the seat, that's the only interior blemish is that one there. Kind of failed. Interior light burning, it's getting hot in here. And there you have it.